School is done. For students and even for your teachers and instructors, this is one of the happiest news you can receive. Yes, school is done. Years of hard work has paid off today, and you most deserve this incredible achievement. With immense pride and joy, I extend my warmest congratulations to you, dear graduates. I am one with you and your families and celebrating this great personal accomplishment and culmination of your years of hard work, dedication, and determination. As a mother and the mother of the town of Giwan, I am proud of each and every one of you for your achievement today. This day also marks an end and a beginning of a new chapter in your life, both of which are worthy of a celebration. For the last several years, your days were all about classes, grades, and examinations, and of course requirements, compliances. And when you step out of the university gates later on today, you are living the only kind of life you have known since you were little boys and little girls. Kay puros man kita pag pinag-eskwelahan. Unless you pursue further studies. Your academic life has now ended and now begins another kind of life. You are stepping forward into the life that your parents, your elders, and I are inhabiting. As they say, welcome to reality. And what is reality? Reality is, after today, dapat yung problema kay magbibiling na kamo yung mga trabaho. So you know, reality is, even if you are graduates, di rin ka mga tanan makakatrabaho. In my experience, ako nga ni CPA, wala ako diretso pakatrabaho. Kay damo man at mga kakompetensya. Most especially ni Giwan, Hamunsipyo, damo iton, graduate sa Eastern Summer State University, receiving only 180 pesos a day. May engineer 10,000, architect 10,000. Bugtik la, but the most important is, na unburden na nera itong era mga kag-anak. Remember, after graduation, nasa rin ka mo, hay, salamat, graduar na ako. Himnana niya yung tatay nasin, hay, salamat, graduar ka na. And let that be, put that in your mind. So, niya yung tatay niya yung nanay niya, graduado na ka mo, correct signon, di niya harap gasto iyo. So, try your best. Kung hain ka mo, makakapili hindi yung kalugaringon na pagpakabuhi. Remember, dito sa Amerika, dito sa States, may sinising dignity of labor. Bisan ka engineer, bisan ka there's always dignity of labor. Kamo bisan ka mo mga teachers, pwede ka mo magtrabaho dito yung mga tindahan or mga like a munisipyo, mga offices na diri alay na naging graduaran. Pero okay lang, just accept that. Humility is the best virtue. Basta just give the best version of yourself. Kung ano giupay na you show it, kay sooner or later, may adag po ninyo itong pag-asa mo. Promote ka mo or somebody will notice you and they will recognize you and matatagan ka mo yung maurupay na trabaho. This is the reason why we in government, me as your mayor, is trying my best para itong Giwan mag-develop, para maging progressive. Kay kung itong usang lugar progressive, damo ito na nakukuha na job opportunities. For every structure na hihimuon, ginihagiwan, for every tindahan, for every business, magkikinahanglan man tahing trabahante. Bisan din niya yung bagong amphitheater, sigurado mag-hire ito ng bagong mga magbabantay itong didakan ma-take charge ito. So in other words, it is our job, your elected officials, ang iyo gintuinan, hani yung mga pagtapod, magtatalimuha kami, trabaho namon, pagbiling, hin maupay, nga burutangan, hiton, nga trabahoan, nga susudlan, hiton aton mga kabataan. Every year, thousands and thousands graduate, pero pipirala is an available job. So, ikakunla, ayo, be confident, but be humble. Give the best version of yourself, nang kinahanglan gihapon, ipakita niyo nga maaram ka mong magsakripisyo. Ayun, ako, employer, I am an employer. When I was the president of the Rural Bank of Giwan, di ko ikikitaan ito yung mga academic performance. I see your character. Ano ka when you were students? Ano ka nga klase? Because when you are in the real world, ano na nga ka mo reality, di na ito na yung mga graduate din kikitaan. Ito na mga kinaiya. Kung maupay ka mo magtrabaho, kung nasunod ka mo. Kay routine na lang yung mga trabaho. Masunod alas 8, maulit alas 5, that's routine. And kikitao na nila kung ano ang yung nahimo for that day. Diri na grado, waray na grado, it is now your performance. The privilege and responsibility of taking charge of your own life is all yours now. You have acquired the necessary knowledge and training. You have been equipped and armored by your university and instructors, and equipped well at that. From this day forward, however, your life and what will become of it are in your hands. Certainly, it can be daunting. My dear graduates, maybe some of you have had a taste of it already. Those of you who were working to support your studies, real life is very challenging, very difficult sometimes. But it can be very spectacular as well. So instead of seeing the next chapter as scary, you can shift your mindset and think this can be an exciting journey and that there is so much to hope for. When I look at you, I see hope, I see potential, I see possibilities. The world might be so big and vast that it can get overwhelming, but it is still true. The world is within your grasp. But you can make something out of it. You can leave your mark for yourself, for your families, the community, and for Giwan. Ayaw ka mong ngalimot bunto. One of the most beautiful ways in doing that is by being the very best version of yourselves. You already have the knowledge, the diplomas you have received today is a sure mark of that. That piece of paper means thousands of days spent in hand, hard physical, emotional, and mental work. You are well prepared, but if you do not become the better version of yourself, those days in school will be in vain. Dearest graduates, school indeed is over, but the test of life is only beginning. You will be tested over and over again by life's proctor, challenges. There will be tests of money and resources. There will be tests of work and jobs. There will be tests of love and relationships. And the very best way to tackle them all is by being the very best version of who you are. They said that the world is there for anyone to take. The world needs you. Rise up in service and build a better life for yourself. I am with you in the hope that you achieve the success you envision for yourself. May you build a better life for yourself and your families. May you give back to your communities and live a life you can be proud of. At this juncture, I would like to congratulate the Eastern Samar State University for an outstanding performance in terms of education. Kumbaga, estudyante at Eastern Samar State University, valedictorian, summa cum laude, sir pagkatpatan. I really salute your leadership. You have brought this institution to one of the best state universities in the country. And also you deserve, that's why you deserve all the support from the government. all the support from Congressman Libanan, all the support from Governor Imardoni, and the small support from the municipality of Kiwan. Buti ay manlak kami. And we have a new ally in the person of Congressman Erwin Tolpo. Congratulations, graduates! Congratulations, everyone!